Welcome the our channel. Today we how to install rclone on a VPS to sync with Google Drive step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your VPS via SSH. Use your preferred terminal application to connect. Log in using your VPS credentials. Update your package lists to ensure you have the latest software information. Use the command sudo apt update. Next, install necessary dependencies. Run the command sudo apt install curl unzip. Now, download the latest rclone binary. Visit the official rclone website to find the download link. Copy the link for the latest version. In your terminal, use curl to download rclone. For example, use curl https://rclone.org/install.sh sudo bash. This command will install rclone directly from the script. Once the installation is complete, verify it. Run the command rclone version. You should see the rclone version information displayed. Now you'll configure rclone for Google Drive. Start the configuration process by typing rclone config. You will be greeted with a menu. Select N to create a new remote. Name your remote as you prefer, like Drive. Choose 13 from the list for Google Drive. Follow the prompts to authorize rclone with Google Drive. It may ask you to visit a URL. Open the URL in your browser and log in to your Google account. Allow access for rclone. Copy the authorization code provided. Return to your terminal and paste the code when prompted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.